What's up, everybody? Freshhh here with another video. I usually do new ones, but I had to get a video one for the shoe that started it off for me as a young boy. I remember being like 9, 10 years old, going into school with these Jones on. Nike Air Raid Peace Edition. Yeah. OG. 94. Man. These is my grills. These are my grills. I don't know what y'all grills is, but these is mine. This is the shoe that started it off for me. Let me get y'all up close look at them. Kind of dirty. I ain't wipe them off. See, the toe box is kind of suspect. I'll probably wear these Jones at night only. No, I'm lying. I'm be proud that they OGs. Ain't wearable. Like, I'm surprised at the condition. Look at them Jones. That says, live together, play together. Okay. Old school. Old school shit. See that? Nike Air OG. Basketball. OG Air Raids. Air Raid Peace 2 Edition. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm not gonna run the knees and do crazy jumps. That's all y'all get. Oh man, look at these jaws, y'all. I'm mad at somebody walking by you and you see like bang, 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 bang. Look at them. Keep it real. You see somebody with these on their feet, you look more than twice, don't you? How many times do you look? Oh my God, this is the best, yo. The best kicks ever in life, yo. They're comfortable, as I remember them being. This is the first pair I had that was wearable since I've been an adult. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Damn. These is hot, son. I didn't wipe them off. They dirty. Look at them. Dirty. If you have a pair out there, I will buy them straight up. Oh man. It's like the longest kicks cam ever, yo. Oh man. Found a pair in my size. Ain't that a bitch? Keep it real. I could just stand here like this and they'd be hot. Let me stand here. I ain't gonna move. No, I have to. Sometimes you get shoes that take you back to your childhood, and this is one of them shoes for me, for sure. I don't even want to take them bitches off. Damn, cuz. I don't want to take them off. Good condition. The sole, for these Jones to be 17, I'm telling you, the only suspect part on these shoes is the toe box. See the toe box? It's a little soft, you know what I'm saying? I'll rock out with it though. Straight up. I got my first pair of Air Raids from Shoe Plus, Germantown Lehigh. It was 65. Sure, that's right. I forgot what the OG insoles look like. I think they was green. I think the OG insoles for these shoes was green, but that's what I got. Let's see. Just match to me. I can't find no OG Air Raid insoles, so these I have to do. Yeah. I could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on for minutes, hours, days on end about memories that this shoe brings back. Like, African print is beautiful. That urban print is beautiful on these shoes. That's what really makes the shoe. Just the whole overall design and the color. There's no shoe hotter than it. Bro, send me a shoe hotter. I mean, of course you're going. Of course, I mean, I got y'all holy grails, whatever. These mine. Live together, play together. Beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. Peace out, y'all. It's a Black Fresh. Peace.